This is it. You've decided that you're ready to sell your home. Well, before you stick a sign in the yard, it's important to take a little time and get your home ready to show and make the most favorable impression for your buyers. So today, we're going to talk about the 3 most important things that you can do to get your house ready to sell. Let's get started. I get it. It's exciting and it's scary and it's nerve-wracking to think about selling your house. Having people that you don't know come through and essentially make judgments about you and your home. Hi, I'm Carrie Palmore, a licensed principal broker with Premier Property Group, LLC, and part of the Palmore Group in Newburgh, Oregon. And let's talk about those 3 little things that you can do that cost the least and yet have the most impact. Number 1. Declutter. This can be one of the most important things that you can do, and yet it's also one of the most overwhelming things that you can do. I advise my homeowners to focus on one room at a time. If you're not using it every day, if you can live without it, if it's just sitting there, pack it up and put it away. Think of it like packing in advance. You want the buyers to see all of the space, and many buyers may not be able to see past your stuff. So be ruthless. Pack things away, and when you're done, take another look at the room and see what else you can take out of it. Almost every single seller who does this later comes back to me and says, "Wow, my house looks so much better, and I feel so much more relaxed in this space." It's amazing how trivial this sounds, but it is the most important thing that you can do. Number 2, next is lighting. You want as much natural lighting in the house as possible. So open up the curtains, maybe consider changing them out if they block too much light. Update your light bulbs and make sure they're all the same. So if you have a dining room light that has 6 light bulbs and you have 3 soft white light bulbs in there and 3 daylight light bulbs, it's going to stand out like a sore thumb. So make them all the same, make sure they all work, and make sure you have lights on in every room of the house. Number 3 is clean, clean, clean. Either do a deep clean yourself or hire someone to do it. This is so important. Wash down the counters, faucets, light fixtures, baseboards, and things like that. Wash the windows, scrub the floors, make your house shine. And here are a couple of bonus tips for you. When the inside is done, focus on your curb appeal. More than one buyer has pulled up to a house, decided they didn't like the look of it, and never even went inside. So make your house appealing as possible. Clean off all the clutter on the way to the door, clean walkways, weed your flower beds, trim your plants, make your front porch as attractive as possible. And finally, be conscious of smells. Don't cook bacon or other strong smelling foods on a day that you have a showing. These types of smells, they tend to linger, and believe you me that the smell of chocolate chip cookies fresh out of the oven is so much more appealing than stale bacon or last night's dinner. So that's it. Hard work, elbow grease, and a little focus time will go a long way towards getting your house ready for the market. I hope you found this helpful. If so, hit like below and leave us a comment, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. We publish them on a regular basis, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. And if we can ever be of help, don't hesitate to reach out to the Palmore Group. We are here to help you with your real estate needs. Check us out on our social media and website, and give us a call. Our mission is to provide exemplary service from the heart, and we'd love to help you. So until next time, remember, it's a good life.